Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You open with a sharp promise and visual that answers the viewer's immediate question. That's why the first 5-15 seconds matter. Once done, map the video into 3 sections so people know what to expect and stay. Make sure to place a clear value statement within the first 30 seconds to reduce drop-off, and vary shot framing and pacing to hold attention. This is the first actionable move. Craft and test multiple hooks. Then pick the one that keeps viewers watching past that critical early window. Now you focus on sustained engagement. Explain but don't over-explain. Use layered pacing, shortcuts for energy, longer segments for teaching, to keep cognitive load manageable and attention high. Once you introduce a mini-climax or payoff at the midpoint, viewers get a reason to continue. Make sure to add visual cues, chapter markers, or timestamps and on-screen summaries so viewers can follow and feel progress. This reduces mid-video abandonment and increases average view duration because people perceive steady value delivery. You close by delivering a clear payoff and a concise recap that reinforces the main value. This seals viewer satisfaction and improves session signals. Once finished, present one obvious next step, playlists, related video, or a pinned link, to encourage immediate continuation. Make sure to label the next choice clearly so viewers take it. If watch time remains low, troubleshoot by /B testing your thumbnail and the first 30 seconds. Then rework the midpoint hook. Small iterative changes often yield the biggest retention gains.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.